Qlik sense expressions can be used to define ranges in visualizations. For example, let's create a gauge chart that has the sum of sales as its measure. In the Appearance section of the Properties panel, you can use an expression to set the minimum and maximum values of the range. Let's change the maximum value of the range. In the expression editor, we will use the sum of the sales target as the expression. When you click Apply, you will see that the maximum sales target value is now displayed in the visualization. Expressions can also be used to define the limit in a gauge chart. In this case, we will use the median of the sales target as the expression. Then you can add a second limit that uses the average of the sales target as its expression. Finally, we will apply colors to distinguish the different ranges. You can set the range using expressions in other chart types, for example, in a bar chart. By default, the range is set as Auto in the chart. You can switch it to Custom to define the range. For example, we can define the minimum value with the standard deviation of the sales as an expression. When we click the Apply button, you can see how the y-axis range changed. You can also define range using expressions in a line chart. In this example, we will use an expression defining the average of the sales target as the minimum value. As you can see, the line chart will change accordingly. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.